And this morning, we are expecting the government to release a new report discussing the consumer price index, and that relates to inflation across the country there. So this CPI, it's called the Consumer Price Index, is pretty much seen as a inflation gauge, if you will. And what we're expecting from economists is they're expecting some price acceleration. Now, what that means is that we're seeing inflation continuing to run far above what the feds want, and economists have estimated that today's report will show that consumer prices rose about 0.4% from January to February. That's according to a survey of economists. Now, that would slightly be less than the increase from December to January, but it's still being considered too fast to be consistent with the Fed's 2% annual inflation rate. Now, that report is expected to come out at 8:30 this morning.
We'll hurry up and wait. All right, Austin, thanks very much. And joining us now is Vinod Sriharshna. He's the business and tech reporter with our news partners at the Miami Herald. Thanks for waking up with us, Vinod. We do appreciate it. As we wait for this report here, is there a connection, if any, that might be between the current inflation trends that we're seeing and the banking failures that we saw this past weekend?
Thanks for having me, and good morning, viewers. The irony is that interest rates rose as a result of inflation the past year, and Silicon Valley Bank kept a lot of its securities as U.S. Treasury bonds, which their value kind of fell as interest rates rose. So, that's one of the ironies here, is that Silicon Valley Bank's investments were actually quite conservative, but the bank just didn't make adjustments as interest rates rose over the past year. I don't think there's any concern kind of going forward that will lead, cause any systemic problems.
Right. It's your byline, real interesting here. Your byline on a recent article here on the potential ripple effect SVB Bank's collapse might have here on the tech sector. And obviously Miami is considered the Silicon Valley of the South. What effect would it have?
Well, I should say my colleague Andres Viglucci kind of led that story, and I think it's a bit early to say, but Silicon Valley Bank was an important bank for tech startups, not only in Silicon Valley, but nationally and globally, including Latin America. It opened its Miami office in 2021, but the extent of its impact is still unclear. I mean, you have several companies in Miami that did their commercial banking with them, as well as obtain venture debt. But they're competitors, like large banks that are going to vie for their business. And so I think it's unclear at this. I mean, it's obviously a headache for many startups who did their banking with Silicon Valley Bank, but I think they have alternatives now.
All right, Vinod, we've got a lot more to ask you here. We'll do that so in the next hour, and what this means for everybody sitting there at home, their bank account specifically, where to stash their cash if they need to pull it out. We'll get into all of that here coming up in the next hour. Vinod, thanks very much. We'll see you in about an hour.